Welcome back. In this lesson, we will add content to the landing page. As I mentioned in one of the earlier lessons, take care of your branding. Make sure you use not more than 2 to 3 different colors on your website. Using too many colors will make your website look messy. Now it's time to put up your content. You should have all the write-ups. For example, what you plan to put up on the home page, about us or contact us page. What sort of services are you offering? And what is your pricing structure? Things like this. So what happens if you are dealing with the client? All you have to do is, before you take the website development project, make sure the client provides you with all the write-ups. There might be a situation where the client might ask you to write content for them, like copyright services. In such case, you can charge the client for copyright content separately. If you are new to this, you can get a freelancer to do a copyright for you, or even get a graphic designer freelancer to design the icons and images for the website or landing page. Since I love to write, so most of the copyright job is done by myself. To design icons or images, I mostly use Canva. It is one of the most popular tools when it comes to designing content for the website. I'm sure you have heard about it or used it at some point. Once you have your logo ready, now it's time to upload the logo on the website. Navigate to the backend of WordPress. From the left menu, under Divi Settings, select the theme options. This is where we will upload the logo. Over here, click on Upload button. Then click on Select Files. And here's our logo. Make sure your logo file name is your company name, which is SEO friendly. It should not be a random name. So what is SEO? It is basically the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business on Google, Bing, and other search engines. Let's select to upload the logo. Once the logo is uploaded, over here make sure you always add alt text to your image. It will increase the image visibility chances on search engine more. Once done, click on Set as Logo. Perfect! Before you leave this page, make sure you save the changes. Scroll down all the way and click on Save Changes. Once done, now let's switch on the landing page. Over here, before we refresh the page, let's save it as a draft first, so we don't lose the changes. We don't want to click on Publish because we have not added our content to the page yet. Once save as draft, you can refresh the page now. You will notice the logo is updated now. Great! We can see our logo has been updated. Not to worry, the logo size is small. We will adjust the size to make sure it will look more appealing. Navigate to the backend of your WordPress. Under Appearance Settings, select Customize option. At this stage, we have not set the landing page as home page. So that's why we are seeing the default post Hello World. Since we are here to adjust the logo size, select Header and Navigation. Select Primary Menu Bar. Over here, we will adjust the logo max height. You can increase or decrease the logo height accordingly. For our case, we will put the logo max height to 100. You may also explore the other settings like text size or letter spacing, but we will leave it as it is. Let's increase the menu height a little bit. I guess 90 looks good. Once you are okay with the overall changes, click on Publish, so the changes will take effect. Now, if you switch back to the landing page, we can see the old logo. Now let's refresh the page and see the changes. There we go. The logo size is increased and much better. But in my opinion, it should be slightly bigger. Since the logo max height is already set on 100, that means there are blank spaces around the logo that needs to be cropped. It's very simple. Navigate back to your Divi settings. Click on Theme Options. Click on Upload again. Select the same logo and on the right side, click on Edit Image. We can clearly see that there are empty spaces on the top and on the bottom of the logo. Click on crop. Crop the top and the bottom blank space of the logo. Perfect. Now it looks great. Once you are okay with the crop areas, then press enter on your keyboard. The logo is cropped. Let's save the changes before we go back, and let's close this page. Once you are set, scroll down all the way and click on Save Changes. Now let's open the landing page and refresh it. Finally, the logo is updated. We can always adjust the size back. And when I scroll down, the menu height shrinks. Let's adjust and increase the shrink menu height. Once again, let's navigate back to the WordPress backend. Under Appearance, select Customize. Select Header and Navigation. Select Fixed Navigation Settings. It is the shrunk menu settings. Let's change the fixed menu height to 70 and publish the settings. Once done, switch to the landing page and refresh to see the updated menu changes. If we scroll down, we can see the shrunk menu height is perfect now compared to before. Usually, you wanna keep the shrunk menu height 10 to 20 points lesser than the actual menu height. That's it. We are done with uploading and setting up the logo. I have shown these steps just in case you want to add your logo in the top menu. But for our case, later we will go through the steps to disable the menu and add the logo on the top middle of the landing page. So for now, I will leave it as it is. See you guys in adding content part 2.